Hello, today we are going to discuss where we can buy Roobee tokens and what exchanges do we trade on. So we can follow all the information on the exchanges and the Roobee token on CoinMarketCap. Here we can see that Roobee tokens can now be purchased on the exchanges like KuCoin, Liquid, BitForex, XMall, Livecoin, Yobit and IDEX. So today we will talk how we can buy Roobee tokens on exchanges like KuCoin, Liquid and BitForex. We will start with the KuCoin exchange. KuCoin is Hong Kong cryptocurrency exchange, launched in September 2017. So to start trading on KuCoin exchange, first of all you have to register on the platform. Click in the right upper corner sign up button, then you have to choose the type of registration by email or via your phone. We will register with our email. When you have typed your email, you have to click to send code. Then this code will be sent to your email. You will get such type of message and then verification code. You will get such a message and the verification code to the platform. Then click that you have read and agreed to the terms of use. And next. So then you have to set your login and password. Then you have to set your login password. And if you have your referral code, you have to type it here. Then click to submit. So to start trading, you have to make your first deposit. Click deposit and then, as you can see, you have to enable your two-factor authentication and set trading password. So tap edit button, then through verification, then send verification code to your email. So you have to download Google verification application to your cell phone, then to scan this code and to save this code and to type here Google verification code, then click activate. So after you have done that, you have to set your trading password. Then once again email verification code, then type it here twice. After you have done that, you can make your first deposit. And after you have made your first deposit, you can go to the exchange. Click exchange button, then you have to find out Roobee trading pairs. Click here and type Roobee, and to start trading you have to put here your trading password. So to place the order you have to put here the price, amount and then click buy Roobee, and the order will be displayed here, and if the order will be executed, so it will be displayed in the order history. And now let's get over to another exchange, Liquid. Liquid exchange was opened not long ago in September 2018, but this is the first crypto platform that received a license from the financial authorities of Japan. So the first exchange is liquid.com. To start trading, first of all we have to register on the platform. To begin with, hit in the right upper corner sign up button. So first of all you have to select country of your residence, for example Austria. Then click next and put in your email, password and first and last name. Click next and be sure that you register your personal account, not corporative. Then click next, check your basic information and personal information, and if you have affiliate code, please fill the gap. Then click that you have read and agreed to all the documents listed above. For example, privacy policy, terms of use and so on. Then click next and you have to confirm your email. Then get back to your email and you will find out this kind of email. Here will be the link to confirm your email. So after you successfully confirm your email, continue to sign in. You have to put here your email and password. Then click sign in. So after you have created your account, you have to enable Google two-factor authentication to unlock basic account status. So we have to click here and enable two-factor authentication. So you must have Google Authenticator instant on your cell. Download it if you don't already have it. You can download it on Google Play or App Store. After you download it, you have to scan QR code with Google Authenticator. And please back up your secret code. After you have done that, you will have Google two-factor authenticator code. Please put in here and then click enable. Only after that you can make your first deposit. Click funds, then balances, and for example you can make your first balance of BTC. Here you can click deposit, and if you have enabled two-factor authentication, you can get here your Bitcoin address. After you have done that, you can click trade and start trading. So we have to select the market. Here we can type Roobee and we can see here Roobee trading pair. We click here and start trading. Here we can type the price, the quantity of Roobee tokens and place by order. When you have done that, your order will be here. After you have done that, your order will be here. And if the order will be executed, it will be in this section. And now let's get over to another exchange, BitForex. BitForex is relatively young, but already quite well known and established exchange, which was launched in June of 2018. The company headquarters is in Singapore. So to start trading on BitForex, first of all we have to register. We can click here or here. So we have to put here our email email, password, code that we can get from our email, and invitation code if we have it. To get this code, we have to click send, then fill the captcha. So right now the code was sent. We can get here in our email, registering code, and you will get this type of message. Click that you have read and agreed to the terms of service and register. So right now we have successfully registered on this exchange. Then we click go to deposit. So to start trading, you have to make your first deposit. We click here choose a token, then BTC, Ethereum or any cryptocurrency you want. So here we can get our deposit address, and as you know, your Bitcoin will arrive after one confirmation and it will be available to withdraw after 3 confirmations. So when you will make your first deposit, you can start trading. So you have to tap on spot button, then to choose trading pair. You have to type here Roobee, and then you will find out Roobee BTC trading pair, and after that click on buy button. After you have made your first order, it will be displayed in open orders, and if this order will be executed, it will display it in order history. And after you have bought your Roobee tokens, you can store them both in exchanges and on special wallets. And not long ago we have talked about these wallets on our YouTube channel. And that's all for today. If you have any question, please comment below this video and feel free to ask. So, goodbye.